Hello guys, I have one more product from Lumary. So this is LED lights that I will hang on a house, so it controls from the phone, or I think it has a remote, but I don't even remember. So there is a bunch of different companies, but I already have from those guys like lots of lights and never have issue. So it's IP65. It's about 15,000 hours of work or something like that. Let's go ahead, open it, see what it's inside there. So usually I put on the Christmas lights, you know, like what everyone have it, but this is something different. Have two boxes. So first box, I assume it's power. So what do we have here? Yep, have a remote, or from the app. So have a remote, just like so. I think that if the power was be black, it's supposed to be even better. Have a 3M. Oh, this is really cool. So it have wires to actually hold, or there is also like a nail kind of design. So it's really cool because I actually honestly bought a whole thing of bunch of different stuff, but it's already have it. Wow, big bonus. Yeah, and so this kit, it's 65 feet. So this is all the wiring, lights, and a manual. So you have to wipe it down, how to connect, which way to go, all that nice stuff. You can connect through all those places. I think, oh wow, it's even work with Google. Hey Google. So if it's spiders. So if it's connected through the app, it will work with Google, you know, the Alexa or Hey Siri. So this is something new too. Here's the lights. It's made in sections. So this is how it connects. And it's only one way. This is good. Everything is made for the be watertight, waterproof. And this is the lights. Really nice, cheap, really big design. And what is it, angle? 45 angle? 46 angle. So it's 46 wide angle. Have a 3M also. So 3 different sections. So let's go ahead and climb on the house and install those. So while I'm actually here, inside that Ziploc box, so this one, it's made for the wires, so you can connect the lights, and then so the wires wouldn't hang, to put like those things all over the place. It's really good. I like that. And if you have a wooden, you know, like sides or something, there is also nails. So just tap the nails and it will hold the wires too. So it's those two different designs. Okay, let's bring up the ladder and start to install it. So before we install, let's actually test it first. Power supply and okay, so they're blinking. So I assume they're working, so someone can't wait to see them. Okay, so here's the power. Looking good. Different colors. Running. Even better. Lots of options. Okay, let's go ahead and install it. So this is going to be first. So you have to locate your 110 volts and go from here to over there until all the way to the rear. Okay, let's install it. Pick a nice warm day, because you would be on top of the house where it's windy and all this stuff, and you would not be happy about that, definitely. Yeah, so kill it. So I will wipe it down with like something like with the cleaning, some kind of like acetone. Wipe it, install it, wipe it, install it. Yep. Let's clean our working place. Install our first light. So just peel the backing. First light officially on. Okay, let's go ahead and do the whole garage. Whole garage right there. just did the one section of it, so now we're gonna install this small for the wiring. Get the backing tape off. The wire, just like so. I don't know how many need to be installed though, but I need to calculate them to make them even. I would say do it good where the actually sections are. So because this is more gonna be like a place where it's gonna be like jerk and all that stuff. Okay, let's go and do the whole thing. So first section is done, and we need to go 2 more sections. So this is how it came up. I have one section is missing that I would like to put just extra one, and it will look way nicer. Otherwise it come up really good, very easy. It's about like 1 hour job or so. So I'm almost done. So right now this is the mode that's like changing lights or colors. Okay, so right when we plugged in, we go into Lumary. I have a pathway and our lights is blinking. So let's go ahead and add the device. Discovering device. And this is my so we're adding the device. Okay, so as you see it's connected. Press done, confirm, and we can start to already play with the lights. Oops. Okay, so off, on, just like so, or we can go like RGB mode. We can press here, make a speed faster, save us. Oh, that's okay. So you can go to RGB. You can go to gradient, changing colors slightly. We can do like blinking. So there is a lots of options, or you can do your even own lights. There is a bunch of different options. There is a timeout when you want to do the timer and all that stuff, so it have a lots of potential, like a lot of potential. And I have this one. It's for my different walkway show you guys earlier. So let's go faster. Here we go. This is the lights. So if you can see my Christmas or the New Year setup for this year, it's actually more of the warm white. So let's go on our app and change to warm, and you can see the contrast that it's giving, like really nice. Like for example, if we'll shove it down, see, it's kind of a gray, but with this thing it's way better now. If it's like pure white, nah, this color is nice, but we'll make it a little bit. You can do lighter, brighter, 100% brighter. This is what we have. And just letting you guys know that my other device, the pathway, it's right there. See it? I can change colors too, make it RGB blinking also. Yep. But for Christmas I'm doing this setup right here.